Up mga gamers, ako nga pala si Carlo Vlogs and today tayo po ay maglalaro na naman ng isang epic anime Defenders. And as you can see in the thumbnail or the title, and yes, I have Crimson Demon Ninja. And yes po, ginrind ko po siya. And yeah, it's actually so good. Okay, I'm gonna puprove ko sa inyo bakit ang lakas ng Crimson Demon Ninja. And yes, if you're wondering kung nasa na yung Legion Master ko, I mean Captain ko, siya po ay itinraid away ko na po. And yes, hindi ko po kasi ginrind yun, nakuha ko lang po siya sa pagte-trade. Okay? So please, don't I give it away. That's why. Kasi hindi ko naman siya nag-grind. And I wanna grind for my own. Yes po, ang Crimson Demon Ninja na nakikita nyo ay aking na-roll mismo sa banner. And yes po, ito po ay shiny as you can see. You can equip it. And yeah. So, nandito na tayo. Halos kumeri nga siya ng isang TOE eh. Para lang pag-grind ako. Kung kahit ito yung best, one of the best mythicals I've ever had. Yan. Wait. There. So you can see on the level 1 is already 996 and di ba OP na kagad? Oh, nakaka one shot naman siya ng kalaban kaya okay lang yan. And yes, I added Crimson Spirit into it para makabag-ignore siya ng shields kahit ano. Para hindi na tayo mahirapan sa mga naka-shields, yung mga ganyan, no? Ayan, katulad niya, no? Patay na yan. O, diba? In-ignore niya lang yung shield niya. Pero we still need a little bit of help with Grand Jade Far Knight. Yes po, Grand Jade Far Knight. So, it's one of the best units, I mean support unit that can damage. You just put that 2 down, 3, 4 already. So we can, you know. Okay, now we got flower. But I wanna show it. There, guys. See? It's actually so old. No. It's just a mythical. I can keep up with some secrets out there. Yeah. So, I'm gonna be back once I am in wave 25. So, and yes, ascended. And final skin ni Crimson Demon Ninja. What the? That spirit bomb ba yan? Goku ba yan? Yes po, ang sarap gumamit ng Crimson Demon Ninja. Lalo na po pag nasa portal kayo or nasa raid. Kasi po malaki po ang kanyang damage. Yeah. Partner mo pa siya sa Pink Rockstar. Eh, wala na po silang kawala. Yan, tapos may Toji pa tayo dito. Toji ba to or something? Ayun na. We're actually cooking. There we go. Yeah. That is it for today's video, guys, and I hope you like it. And see ya.